So,
What's up, guys? It's James and Alex, and today we're going to show you a new game. It's called Diablo from IO, and I know lots, so you can get better. And so, yeah, I'll teach you some of the basics. And we are going to be in the mothership team. So we are the mothership. So basically, if somebody beats it and be for like 1 minute and 10 seconds, then they will switch a person. And it's very fun because you're very fat and you have lots of health. So that's good for you when you're a mothership. And also, if you see the blue team, you have to like kill the blue team. If you're the red, then you kill the blue team. If you're the blue, then you kill the red. So it's very basic. You can try the FFA or teams, and every year they would change a new kind of tank, and so this is one of the new things. So yeah, better check it out. So basically, if you spawn like this, it's not only if you're like pro, you can be a noob at it, but it's fine.
it's completely random.
Yeah, so they would choose random people to be it. But you can only set for 1 minute and 10 seconds, which I told you already. And you saw that tag with the squares? That's also a new one. And so
It's called the Necromancer.
yeah, it's pretty cool. So the next video I'm going to make is to show you what tanks that are very powerful, so you can check it out and get it for your first try.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe.